Morning, welcome to another vlog. We are here at Chessington World of Adventures. Say hi. Callum, say hi.
Hi!
You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, looking forward to this one. Heard good things about Chessington. And just a little tip for the parking, when you come in the main entrance down there, where you draw in with the car, just keep to the right, there is a Merlin parking space, which is this place right here, which is right next to the entrance. So yeah, good one Merlin, well done, that was a good choice. So this is the new area in Chessington, the Land of the Tiger. This is our first ever time to Chessington, so we don't know what it was like before, but this is really nice, really well done. It's really bright, it's very clean. You can see a lot into the enclosures, and yeah, there's a guy here talking about it now. So yeah, well impressed with this area. It looks fantastic.
Or maybe some chicken, but their favourite meat does tend to be from parts of their habitat. We've also wanted to keep them cool. They've got the pool, of course, which they do quite enjoy. You wouldn't expect to see them in there.
That's a big one, isn't it?
Pretty, isn't it? Very nice, very nice.
Wow, that's a pretty one, isn't it? It is a rainbow. Wow. Oh look, it's little duckies. Oh look, they got some fish and some, looks a bit like a pigeon. Go have a look over here. Wow, look at these. Wow, look at that, Callum. So we've only walked around a small part of the park so far, but what I like about this place is there's so much seating everywhere and a lot of it's shaded, which is brilliant for kids, especially in this weather. You know, you try and keep them out in the sun, go have somewhere to sit down in the shade. And this is just, yeah, really impressed with this park so far. It's, yeah, it's one of my favourite Merlin ones.
Merrily lost the dream. Oh no. Where are we? We walk down past here and then we can get to the safari bit.
Just been on Toadie's Crazy Cars, and that's a nice one. Nice one for the kids. It's like a mix between the cars in Thomasland and the tractor ride at Peppa Pig World. So yeah, it's definitely a recommended one for the kids. It's a nice little one, they enjoy it. So yeah, check that one out when you come. So if you need your ripsaw fix, come here. So we're going to go check out the Zoofari. Yeah, hopefully we'll see some good animals around here. And yeah, let's do it. This reminds me a lot of the safari ride at Animal Kingdom, especially on a day like today. Yeah, this should be a good one.
What are you moving now? Look, it's really boring. So we've just done the Zoofari, or whatever it was called. It was very good. There was a few animals. It's very bumpy, so it was quite a good ride. Callum enjoyed it, which is the main thing, and like I say, it was very bumpy and really, really good. So happy days. Did you enjoy it, Callum? Yeah. Talk about the he's in a mood. He wants to go on it again. We'll go on it again later. Okay, so yeah, I'll leave that with you.
I remember seeing it.
There were so many out-of-towners heading our way to try to steal our precious gold. We're going to be a building the best that garden on. And I'm sure.
So you got all the usual eateries around here, like pizza and pasta, Southern Fried Chicken Company and all that lot that you normally get. There's also a vegan restaurant as well, which is different, not seen one of them before. One thing that has annoyed me though is if you want a parent swap, you have to queue up here near Rattlesnake, the other side of this building, guest help and information, and you have to queue before you can get in the queue. So the queue before the queue is about an hour long, and then you probably queue about another hour to actually get in there. I know it's because it's busy or whatever, but we're just not going to get one for that. But I am not queuing for 2 hours to then no, I'm not doing it. So that needs addressing majorly. They need to increase that, or yeah, just put it somewhere else or do a couple more, because that's ridiculous stuff to wait for guest services. But other than that, that's the only negative thing I found about this place so far. But yeah, gonna go get some food soon. So we're going to have a go on Vampire. This area is fantastic. This is what they need to do with Dark Forest at Alton Towers, something like this. Because it's just, the theming level here is fantastic. I bet at Halloween this is amazing. I don't know if they do a Halloween event here, but if they did, I should imagine this area would be amazing.
Any loose articles lost on the vampire may not be retrieved. Please ensure that they are properly secured. Any item.
So this park is amazing. It just reminds me of the parks in America, like Disney, etc. Just the theming is so good, it's so well done, and it's amazing. They need to adopt this at Alton Towers. This is what their next project needs to be. Please do this to like Nemesis 13 and all that lot, because it would just be amazing. So we've just done Vampire, and the theming of it is absolutely outstanding. Hold on, buddy. But the actual ride itself, that was rough. Really rough. It was throwing me about all over the place. I just, yeah. It's the idea of it's good, but it was rough. Yeah?
I got something to tell you. I'll just show you. You have to go on the ride.
Have to go on the Gruffalo ride?
No. You have to. After I.
Oh. So we've just done Toon Blaster, and that's a really good ride. It's so well themed inside. Some of the props in there, yeah, really big, really, you know, really good. Runs really well. Didn't have any problems in there. You can see the lasers on the guns as well. Callum loved it, and yeah, he's gone back on it again actually. So that's really good, really good. Like, Alton Towers need to up their game on dual to compete with that. So we're going to go on the new log flume now and see what that's all about. Just done Tiger Rock. That's a good log flume. I like that. I didn't go on it before it had been re-themed to what it is today, but yeah, it's a good one. It's got a couple of drops in it, and yeah, it's smooth, consistent, doesn't really stop. So yeah, it's definitely a good one. I recommend it. So that is it from us. From yeah, another really good day. Chessington is brilliant. I love it. We'll definitely be coming back. I think everything is just done so well. There's no massive rides here, but there doesn't need to be, because you know it's a good day for the kids and ourselves, and everything is just so well done. There's so many places to eat, sit down, there's shade, everyone's friendly, there's just so much going on. We didn't get through the whole park. We didn't even do the zoo, we didn't do the sea life, anything like that. So yeah, we've got plenty more to do when we come back next time. And yeah, I think if you are toying with either coming here or Legoland, 'cause it's not far from Legoland, definitely come here. Legoland is not a patch on this place, and yeah, I highly recommend it. You know, school holidays here, definitely come. It's worth the money. Even if you haven't got a pass, it's definitely worth it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.